Have you ever wanted the entrance to a room to look like a portal? Me too. To start this off, I ordered moss-covered branches that light up. And of course enlisted the help of my friend. I also created a base made of branches wrapped with wire that you can see behind me here. A portal, of course, needs to look magical. Personally, I think moss is one of the most magical plants. It's so soft to the touch and rich green in color. I think it's going to add the perfect bit of magic to our portal. Time to hang up the branches. I'm curious, what do you think the most magical looking plant is? I think large old trees have a magical element to them. Maybe it's their age or the fact that they've seen so many lives pass by, yet they still stand, seemingly unbothered. Maybe that's why I want to decorate with branches a lot. Well, back to the project at hand. I used a thin wire to attach the moss branches to the base. In the end, you cannot really see the wire, which makes it sort of look like the branches are just growing straight up the support. I'm just twisting the wire around itself to hold it in place. Continue to add wire throughout where it is needed, wherever you think it might look a little loose. My favorite part is that it lights up. But now we need a place to hide the battery packs. They are not very magical seeming. What a better way but through a hanging lantern. I had to order the lantern and the thing to hang it separately. I'm a big fan of the Lord of the Rings series, and I sort of think that this lantern makes it look more like an Elven portal. Simply place the battery packs in the lantern. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to do something in your own house. Thank you for watching.